children feel like they are in prison.
We heard one of the contractors raped a girl at night.
I have come across children who have been cutting themselves. There are very significant numbers of kids with COVID. I think the crowding is the #1 reason that illnesses have spread. Lice became a very big problem. At one point, when all the girls were consolidated into one tent, the lice were so widespread they actually had to put the tent into lockdown.
And how many girls were in that tent?
Hundreds and hundreds of girls.
I watched the days go by and I felt very low. I thought that I was not going to get out of there, that I was not going to see my family again. And sometimes at night we would cry. During the worst time, I was nearly at the point of committing suicide. It was difficult to see a doctor for medicine, and when we went to ask for medicine, they gave us dirty looks, and they always laughed among themselves. The food was not well cooked. Sometimes the chicken had blood on it, the meat was very red. We were so hungry we ate it, but we got sick from it.
The desert storms are crazy. The whole tent starts shaking. Some of the tents open up and sand rushes in. You literally have to shield your whole body from sand. By the end of the day, we are all just covered in dust from head to toe.
We have already caught staff with minors inappropriately. Is that okay with you guys? I hope not.
We heard one of the contractors raped a girl at night. DHS mentioned there was a rape and they are giving the girls pregnancy tests. I also heard they just announced the results in front of everyone here. And I heard the other night that another contractor was caught in a boy's tent, doing things with him.
We've been told by the trainers stories at this facility that staff have developed inappropriate relationships with children, men who have developed relationships with some of the girls, and even some of the women's staff who've developed relationships with boys. After a child has been here for more than a few days, they're saying, you gotta get me out of here. I just can't stand it anymore.